functionality that we explored on a more broad level is the activity selection function. So it basically acts as a shop. So we run Australian Music Examination Board exams on site at our school, but we also send our students off-site to do those exams. And we were using activity selection to be able to have parents sign up and pay for the exam and pay for accompaniment and do all of that upfront. You're able to create custom fields, you'll be able to communicate directly to parents. They're able to make credit card purchases ahead of time. It was a broad test to put the foot in the water to say, well, could we possibly look at billing our music lessons up front? If you were to sign up for a ballet class or some swimming classes or some, any extracurricular activity outside of school, the expectations you're paying a term up front. So, it was a strategy of ours to always look to be able to go for upfront payments for things like music lessons, and being able to use the activity selection tool for our AME-B exams. Everything went so smoothly. So we're actually looking at a 2025 rollout at the moment of charging music lessons a term in advance. And that's something that we never would have considered. The time saving on the back end of a change like that. We were billing music lessons in arrears. So, we'd have a term's worth of lessons, then the fee run would happen, and we'd run across the entire organisation just for music, some 18,000 lines of student billing. And, you can imagine the manual handling and processing and work involved in that. So this simple change of saying, well, rather than billing in arrears, we're now setting up the shop in activity selection and parents can pay that up front. Suddenly all of that workflow downstream just disappears. So, the efficiencies gained as an organisation are quite staggering when we look at those sorts of numbers. The more we explore it, the more we see the possibilities. Yeah, at the moment, it's the gift that keeps on giving.